Well, I just learned that the running is something very important for me. I go running and I feel completely relaxed again, and all my aggression and everything is gone. So that's the relaxing thing about it. You keep your mind blank. I just try not to think anything. Your body and your mind, they work together, and a car doesn't run if one piece is missing. Your body doesn't run if something is missing, and then you have to always look at the whole picture. Trying to listen to your body and respond to signals that we might have lost the ability to receive, you could prevent illnesses. Before I came here, I wanted to do ENT or otolaryngology as a specialty, but you're never that sure until you really do it. So I thought, well, if I do research for 1 year in the area, I'll know if I'm really interested in that or not. I had planned to work with human beings, but then I didn't get permission from the State Department to work with humans as a foreigner. So I was kind of forced to work with mice. So you guys are gonna get 8 hours of noise tomorrow. These little guys are climbing all over the place. It's easier to do basic science with animals because you can eliminate certain factors. But to look at genetics, it's easier to work with inbred strains of mice because they're genetically identical and you can find little differences in homogeneous groups of mice. So you can breed them to be all the same, have the same genes. So they're supposed to be genetically identical. A pure strain. And I once lost one of those in the back room. It was very hard. We had to go with a bucket and jump on it. You can hardly get them. You can't afford losing a mouse in the back room because they're gonna eat all the cables and everything, and then nothing works anymore. Ooh, very bad. He's number 6 because he has one hole on the left side. They certainly feel pain and hunger and whatever, but that might be classified not under emotions, but under feeling and instincts. I don't think that they're sad or upset or depressed. I don't think, that they're in love with each other. But it's a difficult question. I don't think that they have feelings like human beings. They can't articulate, so I think they're on a lower level of conscience, probably. But how are we gonna know? We're gonna know when they take over the planet. Look, hi. Oop. You wanna crawl in the camera? Oh no, poor guy. To know if the signal actually goes to the brain, we're able to measure, we want to measure something that's behind the cochlea, and so for that we measure brainstem responses that are actually acoustically evoked potentials. So you measure a current between 2 electrodes. The green electrode is the ground electrode. It goes somewhere in the back. And then we put the microphone in. This is the response we're getting. We're determining the threshold of hearing by evaluating at what stimulus level. The stimulus level decreases with the ongoing test, the waveform goes away, and that's our threshold.